For you to succeed in anything, especially sa business, you must be surrounded by the right-minded people. Because here's the truth. Mahal man kayo ng mga kaibigan ninyo or even kamag-anak ninyo, most of them, uunahan ko na kayo, they won't get you. You may not get the support that you're expecting from these people. In fact, there might be cases, situation, na yung mga tao pang inaasahan mong susuportahan ka, they are the one who will discourage you. Kaya we decided to put up a Facebook group because finally there is someone who understands you na meron kang pangarap sa buhay. Because minsan may mga kaibigan tayo, especially mga kababata natin, they gave up on dreaming big. Mas gusto nilang mag-inom araw-araw, gabi-gabi, mag-ubos sa oras sa mga pasugalan and so on and so forth. I'm not like judging them. I'm just telling you guys that is the life that they decided. And then you, for most IBMC students, have a big dreams and ambition. And the population, most people have given up their ambitions and their dreams. So what can you expect from them? What kind of business advice you are gonna get from your friends na ka-office mate mo, siya rin is empleyado? You love them, you respect them, they love you, they respect you, but they don't get you. Meron ba ritong ganun na na-experience? Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.